Welcome to the essentim tutorial video User Management and Collaboration. Currently, the user Alex Mustermann is logged in. By clicking on the username in the left bottom corner, you can see the user menu. Here, you can change the user password, log out with the current user, or log in with a different user. Let's log in another user. We log in with Moni's account now by entering her username and password and pressing login. Now Moni is logged into the system to interact with the essays. For example, Moni adds an incubation process to the introduction essay and stops the procedure again. In the latest event section, we see that Moni added the incubation procedure. Let's say she's collaborating with Alex in the lab. Now Alex wants to add information to the essay. He can easily switch to his account by using the user menu again. He adds another incubation procedure. By switching active user accounts, you can optimize the workflow in your lab if you're working on the same workstation. To add user accounts for another colleague, you have to log in with a user with administrator privileges, so we log in with an admin account. Go to the Settings menu and choose the Users section to display the current user of the system. Click Add User to create a new user account. It is important to enter all the information requested in this form. Here, Tony is joining the lab team. The email is also the username used in the login prompt. You can grant Tony admin privileges if you want. Enter a password and click on Create. Tony appears in the list after saving it. Now we can log out the admin user and log in with Tony's account. Tony can now also collaborate with Moni and Alex, also by accessing the essay view and starting a specific procedure, in this case incubation again, and stopping it again. In the latest event section, we see that 3 different people were able to interact with an essay. It is documented who is doing what, and thereby you have full transparency who is performing which procedure on a specific experiment. Thanks for watching the video and check our further videos.